Class, your 20s are not for relaxing. They're for building a life most people won't reach until their 40s. Today, I'm teaching you 4 principles that have made millions of people rich before 30. Stay till the end, because principle number 4 is the reason most people stay broke, even when they work hard. Principle number 1, start early, not perfect. Most people wait. They wait to feel ready. They wait to feel confident. They wait for the perfect plan. Rich people in their 20s do the opposite. They start messy. They start scared. They start before they're ready, because time is their biggest advantage. Starting early lets mistakes become lessons. Small actions done early grow into massive results. You don't need the best idea. You need a first move. Principle number 2, skills pay more than talent. Talent looks good on social media. Skills pay bills in real life. Skills like sales content creation, editing, copywriting tech, and AI tools. The faster you build valuable skills, the faster people start paying attention and paying you. Principle number 3, stop trading time for money. Here's the trap most people never escape. They sell hours or for a fixed paycheck. Rich people learn this early. Time runs out. Systems don't. They build things that work: content businesses, digital products, scalable services. When income isn't tied to hours, growth has no limit. Principle number 4, execution beats knowledge. Most people know what to do. Very few actually do it. They watch videos, save posts, plan forever. Rich people move. They take action. They learn by failing. They improve by doing. Progress comes from motion, not motivation.